guys, my name is Miss Gaines, and I am the yearbook advisor for Long County High School. Being a part of the yearbook is a unique experience. In this class, you will be responsible for all aspects of creating an amazing book. You will be working together with other staffers in a newsroom environment, and sometimes things can get a little stressful. This will be my 5th year as the advisor for the Long County High School yearbook. In addition to teaching journalism, I also teach American and Honors American Literature. I am a proud LCHS graduate and have taught here for 12 years. My favorite part of yearbook is that first glimpse of the book when they come in. Journalism is a semester class dedicated to covering the fundamentals of photojournalism, advertising, and public relations. You will learn to think like a journalist by gathering the news, writing quality news stories, and producing informative pieces to air throughout the school. You will spend a great deal of time examining and utilizing the journalistic writing style. As part of this curriculum, you will be producing the school yearbook, selling ad space to local businesses, and creating marketing and advertising campaigns. Some of you will be working with us online in a virtual newsroom, and some of you will be face-to-face yearbook staffers. No matter how you are joining this year's yearbook staff, you will be essential to making sure that this yearbook is the best LCHS has ever seen. In order to be the best journalist you can be, you will need a few tools of the trade. If you will be a staffer in my classroom, you will need a notebook, paper, blue or black pens, and pencils. If you will be a virtual yearbook staffer, you will need an electronic device with internet access. You will be accessing this course through Google Classroom. Luckily, most of you are very familiar with that. If you are a virtual learner, be sure to check Google Classroom daily in order to see what staffing duties or assignments you may have. Communication and a strong work ethic are very important for success in this class. I am so excited that you have chosen to be a part of our yearbook staff. This year will be like no other, and we will have to overcome many challenges. I look forward to seeing your creativity and problem-solving skills in action. Some say that a yearbook is a love letter a school writes to itself. What will ours say?